Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly get set up with a local development environment for your cloud project so that you can customize Forest Admin by adding custom fields or actions or anything like that. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is access this little menu right here, which will actually have all of the information for you to get everything set up. So the first thing to do is to bootstrap your project. So all you have to do is just copy this little snippet, go onto your terminal window, go ahead, paste that, and it will do its thing to bootstrap the project as well as install a local development environment. All right, awesome. Now that it's done, I can come back here and it's asking me to install the dependencies. So again, I'm just gonna go ahead, copy the snippet, paste it right here, and launch that. I know this can take a few seconds, so in the meantime, I'm actually gonna go ahead and go to the second step in this model, which is develop locally. So what it's asking me is to configure my local environment by specifying my test database credentials in this datasources.js file that has been created for me. So I know I've got my credentials right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead, find this datasources.js file to open it in there, and I'm gonna just go ahead and replace this string right here that has been automatically created for me, and save this. Now that that's done, I can just go ahead and start my agent. So I'm just going to copy this, again, head back to my terminal. I can tell that the dependencies have been installed. Again, just pasting this little snippet right here, and it's just going to do all of the work for me. All right, and now that we've reached this stage, we can come back here, and the next step is just to refresh our browser window. So let's just go ahead and do that. All right, and now that I've done this, you'll notice in your menu, you can actually change environments now. So it's not just a production environment. I also have a development environment right here that I can open. And this will have all of the customizations that I have done locally on my machine without affecting production. So I can test my code, make sure everything works the way I intended before pushing everything to production, which we'll see in the next step.